More news coming in. Andhra Pradesh NDA power sharing formula on India today. What's likely is that 25 strong Naidu cabinet, 20 will be, in fact, 20 ministers will be from the TDP. Pawan Kalyan possibly will be the deputy chief minister. 3 berths for Jan Sena. Nara Lokesh I's organizational role is what we're picking up. Naidu's son, unsure of ministerial role. In fact, we have details with us right now. Possibly the Chandrababu Naidu cabinet that is going to be sworn in will have 25 mantris. Pawan Kalyan likely to be the deputy chief minister, and 3 berths for Pawan Kalyan's Jana Sena party. Nara Lokesh, the son of Chandrababu Naidu, is possibly eyeing an organizational role. Apurva is getting us more details on that story. Apurva, Nara Lokesh will not be given a cabinet berth, is what you're picking up, that there won't be any entry of Nara Lokesh. And Pawan Kalyan is certain to, in fact, get the role of the deputy CM.
Well, Sneha, that's what we're hearing, that it's going to be 25, berths for the cabinet for Andhra Pradesh. And what we are hearing is the seat sharing is most likely to be 20 from TDP, 3, including, 1 deputy chief minister's post there, most likely for Pawan Kalyan, and 2 for BJP. That's what the seat sharing talks are ongoing right now. In fact, all, MLAs with the Telugu Desam party, the Bharatiya Janata party, and the Jana Sena are, in fact, right, behind me. This is the room where the meeting is going on. The Chief Minister of Andhra Pradesh, the next Chief Minister of Andhra Pradesh, Mr. Chandrababu Naidu, and possibly the Deputy Chief Minister, Mr. Pawan Kalyan, and senior leaders are all here. In fact, the meeting is scheduled right now, and as you can see, several MLAs are all standing here, are all seated and are in the meeting. That's what we can see from the visuals out here as well. And, just from the talks that is ongoing now, what we are also hearing from sources is that most likely there will be the leaders from the Telugu Desam, the Jana Sena, and the Bharatiya Janata party are likely to meet with the governor later on during today, so that they can stake claim to form the government, following which tomorrow will be the swearing-in ceremony of Nara Chandrababu Naidu as the 4th-time chief minister for Andhra Pradesh. Remember, this is a massive win that the Telugu Desam party had taken up in these elections now, and in the NDA alliance there, not only are they going to be one of the key makers for the NDA alliance, but it is also to be noted that several demands have come in from across the Jana Sena and the Telugu Desam party and the Bharatiya Janata party regarding the seat sharing and the cabinet berth for ministers here. We are hearing that Nara Lokesh will be given a significant portfolio, but sources do tell us that he is a little bit hesitant on getting a ministerial berth, but rather he was comfortable in doing the managerial works of the Telugu Desam party. Remember, this elections alone, we saw how Nara Lokesh had been spearheading the Yuva Galam campaign in across, Andhra Pradesh. There was a complete Padayatra that he had taken out for almost over 2,000 days that this Padayatra, 2,000 kilometers that this Padayatra had covered. That's what we're getting to hear. And now an important meeting, all-party meeting there that is held here in Vijayawada. We're also getting to see that, several MLAs and MPs have all attended this meeting that is currently scheduled and is underway.
Right. I'm going to thank you for the moment, Apurva Jayachandra, with that detailed report from Vijayawada.